The generator can be started from here and also from inside. Here you have to press prime and hold it, and then you start it. The generator is very, very quiet. I had the van running to start the generator, but you can turn it off and the generator is still running and it's very quiet. I barely hear it inside. And here we turn the inverter. Well, we can turn all the stuff on and we can even turn the lights. These lights are being turned on here. Yes. This is much louder than the generator. And if I close the door, I can barely hear it. It's not bad at all. And to turn all of this off, let's turn the lights on. The generator has only 45 hours of runtime, 45.6 hours. And you can stop it from here as well. You can start it from here as well. You just use start.